Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile live on Facebook. To begin, you'll need to link your Facebook account directly within the Call of Duty Mobile application. This is a crucial first step. Also, make sure you have a very strong and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent any lag or disconnections during your live broadcast. Take a moment to adjust your in-game graphics and audio settings for the best possible viewer experience. Next, let's configure your live stream. Navigate to the live stream feature, which is typically located in the game's main menu or settings. From there, you will select Facebook as your broadcasting platform. You can then choose your desired stream quality. Options often include 720 pixels or 1080 pixels. Finally, set your stream's privacy to public, friends, or private, depending on your audience. Now, it's time to go live and engage with your viewers. Once all settings are configured, simply press the Go Live button within the Call of Duty mobile interface. As you play, keep an eye on the live chat for any comments or questions. Actively responding to your audience creates a much more engaging and interactive experience. Don't forget to share your stream link on other social media platforms to invite even more people to watch. To truly enhance your streaming experience, consider a few key tips. Using a high-quality external microphone will ensure your commentary is crystal clear and professional. Try to maintain a consistent streaming schedule. For example, streaming 3 times a week at the same hour helps build a loyal audience. For more advanced features, you might explore dedicated streaming applications. Also, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage for optimal game and stream performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.